Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Talking a little bit about cartouches. Number of things are called cartouches, but I wanted to go back to the origin of the cartouche. This is a cartouche. It could be described as a cartouche. So it's carving that we did. Adam designed and carved this and coloured it. But the origin of the cartouche is more like this. And this is in bronze. This is a carving we did, which was cast in bronze. I can't hang it up. But you can see how you've got this, it's unwrapping. It's like parchment, which is unwrapping. Because originally the cartouche was, that's the sort of motive and the idea that it came from. Because what happened was that they would put up some new law or whatever, and nail it to the door and of a temple or whatever, and this is so that was the origin of the cartouche. And you've got, of course, the parchment unfurling. So that is cartouche. But now I don't know. It's used in the word is used in very many different ways. As sort of being a centerpiece, shall we say? But if anyone wants to know, that's the origin.